Hi, this is Phil with ABUS Mobile Security. Today I want to show you the function of the Provogue 305. The Provogue comes in two versions, the 300 and the 305. 300 has a 10mm bolt to fit into the larger vent holes on your rotor. The 305 is great for scooters and motorcycles because its 5mm bolt will fit into the vent holes. With the lock open, slide onto the rotor. Easily click closed, close the dust cap, and it's that simple. To remove the lock, open your dust cap, slide off the rotor, and you're done. The Provogue 305, super simple, super secure. When you need security, go ABUS. Thanks for listening.